I see your posture. Oh, it's tragic. Let's fix that before the laws of physics turn you into a question mark.
But first a quick nap.
Let's see who does it better.
Help! Get to the wall, put your shoulder and hands against it, and slowly go up and down.
All right, time for a cartwheel. Neck alignment, balance is everything. Focus, stability. Open your chest, expand your posture.
Phones ruin your posture. Put them down.
You know what? Your posture, it is your problem, not mine.
Save this exercises to never use them.